Hi everybody. Today I'm going to share you something about a problem mostly faced by the uh, Zoom users, and when they start to log in into the Zoom account they have got a problem. They encounter with a problem written like failed to sign in, please try again, error code 1132. So let's try it out how we can solve it. Though this is not a permanent solution, however we can try to mitigate our problem for certain. Here we go. Well, first of all, when you are facing this problem, you just go to the Start menu if you are using Windows 10, and from there you need to go to your account. So like I have got the Vision written over there. I will click over there. Alright, then you need to create a new account. So like I do have the 2 or 3 of them all together, maybe Guest, Samru, Sasidhar, something is written there, and it's your turn to go to change account setting. Just click over there. Right, so when you click it, it's your turn to go to family and other people. Right, when you click there, there comes an icon where you can add someone else to this PC. Just click the button. Alright, so it says just a moment, and it requires that it says email or phone, or I don't have this person's sign-in information. So you can simply click it over there. You need to wait for a while. Then you can see one more dialog box, that is let's create your account written over there. So you can write add a user without a Microsoft account. So just click over there. Then you can go to create an account for this PC. There comes, so you can write who is going to use this PC. Just write your name over there. Like I just have written yes, UGAM. You can write your own. Make it secure. You can use a password. Re-enter the password. And there comes, in case you forget your password, there comes some of the questions. So you can try answering some of the questions. For instance, what's the name of the city you were born? And similarly, what is your what's the first name of your oldest cousin? Okay, something like that. You just fill the information and you just click to the next button. All right, so we have gone to the next button. So you can simply find over there 3. So let me see once more. So there are 4 accounts. We have lastly added the account. Yes, UGAM Sugam was there, and you can directly switch on to this account. Well, so you need to enter the password. Please don't forget what the password you had written. Enter it. Well, it says hi. So please have a patience, and we're getting everything ready for you. So just wait for a moment. This might take several minutes. Don't turn off your PC. Follow the instruction, whatever it says. All right, almost there. It's written there, like I do have in Nepali, that's why it's written something like that. अहिले सम्मको उत्कृष्ट विन्डोजमा स्वागत छ. It's there in Nepali. So wherever the country you have got it, you can get the information in your own language as well. Now it's ready. So here we try. But when you go, we don't have any setup Zoom, so it's necessary. You can go to Google Chrome or any other browser. Click over there. Yes, just get started with your browser. Okay, so I'm gonna download Zoom app. Okay, so let's see. And we're going to download it. You can go to zoom.us and get it downloaded. Wait for a while. So whatever the bit you have got, there is no more problem. Either that's a 64-bit or 32-bit. You can just wait. And at the bottom you can see zoominstaller.exe written there. See over here. At the bottom you can find written Zoom installer.exe. You just click over there. Yes, and you can run it. It takes a little bit time to install it. Yes, so you enter your email address. Like I have just entered the email address. Well, so we can go to enter the password. Please don't forget that. Well, so you can try to Zoom, so you can sign in. You can go to your email address, or you can also sign in with Google directly. Right, and also you can enter your password. Yes, here we go, and your Zoom account is now ready. You just start your new meeting. Let's try it out. And if you have got any antivirus, you can try it out. You can choose your camera as well, like if there is, join with computer and something like that. So thank you so much for watching this. Have a good day. Enjoy it. Please comment, subscribe, and share.